Watch you watching the colors rise. Summer twilight, skies on fire. Never wishing I was somewhere else. Held on to you like Loctite. Getting through it when it hurt like hell. Feels like the only thing we've done right. It's a star, it's a light, it's a signal fire. It's the sound of your voice cutting through the night. It's a song, it's a note, it's a quiet sigh. Keeps me dancing through.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are doing the part 2 of Extreme Clean with me. But first we're gonna head out and get groceries. Then we're gonna do the grocery haul. So yes, it's still gonna be a motivational video, just a motivational shopping to go along with the cleaning. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get some shopping done.
Never felt so at home before. Moved a lot when I was a kid. Hear your footsteps run to the door. On the corner where you live. Never wishing I was someone else. We let it all go at midnight. Looking at the stars to find ourselves. Full of life, inspired at the same time. It's a star, it's a light, it's a signal fire. It's the sound of your voice cutting through the night. It's a song, it's a note, it's reflected light. Keeps us dancing through the static and I hear you sigh.
Alright, you guys, we just got home, so I have everything laid out. I'm going to go ahead right now and get started on this haul. It's not a crazy huge haul. I really didn't have to get too much. I got stuff to make a couple of meals with. I still have a bunch of stuff in my fridge and freezer that I can make meals with. So it's pretty much just basically stocking up on a bunch of keto stuff. I do have a few meals that I threw in there. Hold on, you guys, 1 second. Alright, and I also got my daughter's snacks, some little odds and ends I needed. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to stop talking. You guys will see what I got. Alright, you guys, I'm going to start right over here. We got bread, natural turkey dogs, all natural turkey breakfast sausage patties, some soy sauce, pickles. So yeah, this is the bread that I use. It's the 1 net carb. And I usually make this for like my breakfasts in the morning for a breakfast sandwich. Very good for if you're doing keto because it's only 1 net carb. And yeah, there's no sugar in it. So yeah, perfect for I was getting the whole grain and it was the 3 net carb, I believe. So, you know, this is the 1 net carb and it's not bad. So yeah, I just chose to stick with this. And it's not much of a different taste than the other one. So some lettuce boats. I love making sandwiches on this. Usually the tuna salad or just like some kind of ham Italian. And then mixed greens for salads, spinach for my smoothies. And then over here we have some butter, cucumbers, cauliflower, rice. There's just the frozen ones. And then I got these. They're just pre-packed. The Colby Monterey Jack, and this is really good for a keto snack, especially when you're on the go. You can just grab one and yeah. 4 cheese Mexican. I don't really have a meal for this. This is just one thing I just, for some reason, I just like to keep on stock, I guess. Sometimes I'll make, you know, either like a cheese quesadilla for my daughter or something. It's just, this is just one of the cheeses that I always just usually have 1 or 2 bags on stock always. And then my daughter's soups, milk, 2 things of the cauliflower pizza. Yeah, back to keto with this. A lot of people would argue with me that, oh, it's not keto. I know this is not keto. I know that it's, yeah, what is it? There's 46 grams of carbs. There's 4 grams of sugar. I'm not crazy with the Quest pizzas for some reason. So yeah, and I usually have like 1 of these, like, I don't know, like maybe like once a week for like a quick meal or something for myself. So yeah, yeah. I know, and I said before, I am not strict keto. I will never be strict keto. That's just not me. And I've been losing plenty of weight that I have been wanting to lose with eating this. So yeah, I don't go crazy. I don't count all the net carbs and all that, you know, crap, I guess. I do it how I do it, and it works for me. What works for me might not work for other people. But anyways, my daughter loves the cauliflower crust too, so I got the cheese one for her. Spaghetti, this is another quick, just the whole family can eat this, but I purposely get this for just quick keto nights for me. Fry it up, put it on a lettuce wrap or whatever. Here's another snack that my daughter will eat too, but mostly I was thinking of just keto snacks when I got it. Just another quick one for on the go, because I am always on the go doing something. So yes, some mushrooms, and I think with the cauliflower rice, I'm going to do some kind of like stir fry with this. I'll cut up some chicken. So I got 2 of those. Some mushrooms, some blackberries, hamburg, some steak, turkey bacon. Okay, you give me 2 seconds. And then I've heard a lot about this, so I thought I would try it. It's just the egg white wraps. And yeah, very good for keto. And I keep saying keto because there might be some keto subscribers on here. So yeah, this is, I'm going to go ahead and try this, and I will let you know what I think of it. And then the tomato basil carb balance wraps, some pasta sauce, and then some of the zero sugar caramel macchiato creamer. And then my daughter's blueberry little bites. These are always a staple in this house. And then these are also hers, apple chips, and some maple syrup, a thing of my Celsius packets. And then my daughter picked out at the aisle, which I'm not going to say out loud because I don't plan on giving them to her until after dinner. Some peanut mixed nuts, some eggs, corn on the cob, and then I had to get some paper towels. And now we're going into the non-food, you guys. I had to get some shampoo, and I have been loving this brand. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is probably like my favorite brand right now. And I haven't tried this specific. I haven't tried the coconut milk yet, so this will be the first. I usually get like the watermelon, or there's like a green tea. And then I had to get some fabric softener. You can tell I'm getting close to the end of this because I can't talk, you guys. Some Crest toothpaste, some dry eraser or magic eraser, because if you have a toddler, you should have these in your house always. And if you don't, what is wrong with you? And then I got some Lysol. Don't mind the breakfast dishes, you guys. And then some mouthwash. And then toilet bowl cleaner. And that is it, you guys, for this week's grocery haul.
Hands up, we were gunning on red hot faith. It was a ride or die.
Alright, you guys, it is the next day, so I need to go ahead today and tackle my bathroom, my bedroom. My bedding needs to be washed. I really need to get a good cleaning done on my vanity. But first, I'm going to go ahead and cook some breakfast. My daughter already ate. She had some French toast with a side of blackberries. But yes, just about 10:30, so this is usually the time I go ahead and break my fast and have my first meal of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then we're going to jump in and get some cleaning done.
Hand in the dark, lightning straight to my heart. Oh, you give me every time. All the stars in the sky, all the lights on the highway. Oh, they keep us coming alive.
It's just quiet, not a big deal.
Lightning straight to my heart.
It isn't perfect.
Oh, you give me every time. Do anything you like, got nothing to lose. All I need is beside me in the front seat. There's something about you, been rolling in me.
It's like a lot.
Some kind of new American dream.
Okay, you guys, so this looks delicious. All I put on there was just some deli ham, spinach, and some Mexican cheese. And yes, I made a second one because I had a feeling that one was not really going to fill me. So I just went ahead and made 2 of the egg white wraps. And I'm going to eat this, you guys, because this smells amazing, as good as it looks. So
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away, playing in my mind all the things I never. Close my eyes and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go. Somebody like you, cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away, playing in my mind all the things I never. Close my eyes and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go.
you guys, so I got the bathroom all clean, and I was thinking about dinner when I was cleaning, and I was gonna do chicken, and then realized that I forgot to take out the chicken out of the freezer to thaw out. So, however, I think I'm just gonna do steak because I still have steak that I bought at groceries that I need to put in freezer baggies. So I think I'm just gonna cook a couple of those for dinner and do some kind of like stir fry rice, but use the cauliflower rice. And praying my daughter will eat it. I don't remember if she had some with me the last time I made it, but I do have rice on stock that I know she will eat. So worst comes to worst, I can make rice for her. But yes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and attack. Hold on one second, you guys. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now and attack my bedroom and get that vanity clean. The only thing that's really bad in there is mainly just the vanity. It's always just the vanity. I usually keep it pretty clean in my bedroom. I have the bed and the dryer right now. I washed that this morning. But yeah, it pretty much just needs a vacuum and to clean my vanity. But other than that, my room is usually always stays pretty clean for the most part. And I do have, yeah, a laundry basket of 2 loads of laundry that needs to be folded and put away. So yeah, we can go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, it's already a little after 2 o'clock. So yeah, and then I want to do just a quick sweep through of the living room, kitchen, and dining room because just in a day, having a 3-year-old, it can get out of hand again. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick sweep through after I get my bedroom cleaned.
We're flying high like a jet stream. See it in your eyes that you feel me. Never wanna come down to the ground. Setting sparks to fires when you're with me. And I realize what it all means when our hearts beat loud to the beat. There's a song in my head, wanna play it again. Soundtrack to the best days we ever had. You're the one on my heart, erasing all my scars. Oh, I love you so bad. I am better than I've been whenever you're around. Oh, you're looking at me unconditionally. Oh, your voice comes through to me in every single crowd. And I know you love me till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down. How we got it so good, I don't know how. Tattooing your name on my heart now. Never wanna let go of this feeling. Soaking in your light right above me is an open sky full of our dreams. Never been so easy to believe. There's a song in my head, wanna play it again. Soundtrack to the best days we ever had. You're the one on my heart, erasing all my scars. Oh, I love you so bad. I am better than I've been whenever you're around. Oh, you're looking at me unconditionally. Oh, your voice comes through to me in every single crowd. And I know you love me till the sky falls down. 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 All this time we had to prove that we could stand here too. All the nights spent pushing through, fight for all we had to lose. something to pull us up to level ground. Oh, I can see it now, I can see it now. We're on the edge of a moment, been out of our depth, now we're diving in. The light up ahead, we're running to it. We're on the edge, now we're diving in. Stay a while and you'll see that every broken dream fit together flawlessly, pave the road to better things. Letting go of the moments that could only keep us down. I can see it now, can you see it now? We're on the edge of a moment, been out of our depth, now we're diving in. The light up ahead, we're running to it. We're on the edge, now we're diving
This baby seat, and my daughter is 3 years old. However, this is her hangout spot, and I don't have the heart to take it away just yet. She still reaches the weight on here, so yeah, she likes to sit in here in the mornings when I'm getting ready for the day. I'll be over here at the vanity doing my makeup, my hair, and she likes to sit here and read her books or just talk to me. But yes, you guys. Alright, you guys, I am done cleaning for the day. My daughter just got done saying she was hungry. It is just about 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start some dinner. Yes, I did clean the kitchen because my camera died, so I charged that while I did the kitchen just so I could film doing my bedroom. But yeah, so the kitchen is all cleaned again. The living room and dining room needs to be picked up a little bit because she's got her toys on the floor in each room. But yes, you guys, but we're gonna just go ahead and start some dinner. She's been a little extra clingy today, so it's a little bit harder to get some stuff done that I wanted to, but that is okay because it is mom life, and you know what, baby's gotta come first, so that's how it should be. Yes, but anyways, you guys, we're gonna start some dinner right now. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is gonna be a very simple, healthy meal, and I'm gonna try and just see if my daughter will eat the cauliflower rice instead of having to just make a thing of rice. So we will see.
I need a carrot.
A carrot?
I need a carrot. I need to see a carrot in the back.
It's frozen, honey.
I need it.
It's frozen, baby. Actually, I'm just going to cook the whole thing, and then that can be lunch for tomorrow, too. Ooh. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some soy sauce. All right, you guys, so I am hoping she will eat this. We will see. I will get back to you and let you know. All right, you guys, so I enjoyed dinner. So I need to go ahead. I'm making her a side of macaroni and cheese right now. She ate a few bites, but I knew she wasn't, you know, yeah, she wasn't all about the dinner tonight. So I know a lot of people are like, oh, don't do that, you know. Yeah, there's so many people out there that can be, you know, are the type, I guess, that with their family, I'm trying to say this without insulting other people, because people just have different ways of raising their children. But yeah, I know there's a lot of people that can be, you know, you don't eat with us, or what we eat, you go without. Well, I'm not about to let my 3-year-old baby girl go to bed hungry. That's just not who I am. Yeah, that's not how, yeah, I don't do stuff that way in this house. So, but no offense to you people who do. That's the way you raise your kids. That is perfectly fine. But in my household with my baby goes to bed with a full belly. So that being said, she is having some macaroni and cheese in just a few minutes. It's almost done. But yes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. And make sure your bell notification is turned on so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So yes, you guys, I will see you all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. All right, go sit down.